Hey guys, this is Tim again. Welcome back to another video. And today we're in Animal Jam Part 4. And I just logged on and there seems to be a new update. So let's go have a see. Introducing the Beach House, the incredible new den with a huge rooms, great views, and your own private beach. Pick up your own beach house in the diamond shop today. I'm gonna do that. If you have ever wanted to help choose the next set of awesome den items that will come to Jamal, here's your chance. Do you want to build a huge sandcastle? Maybe you want to see the transforming mechanical future, or perhaps you want to see what you can find at an excavation site. Sorry about that. Click the button below to vote for your favorite set. I want to vote for mechanical future. It looks cool. I want future. Vote. There you go. What's next? Have you heard the great news, Jammers? Tritas, the super quick big cats, will soon be returning to Jamal. Click below to visit Jammer Central to watch this fun video starring one of the cheetahs in Jamal. Okay, let's do that. Oh jeez. Whoa. That was funny. Okay, you can get your own spring bunny and exclusive den items for free by redeeming an Animal Jam retail card from now until July. Retail gift cards are at Target, Walmart, GameStop, and many other fine stores. So go to those stores, guys. Let's go buy that beach house. No, thank you. Anyway, let's just go do the spin. Zoom out now. 75 times one. We only got 75. So how many do we got? We got 15 diamonds. Let's go over here to diamonds. Beach house. Let's go preview it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look how big the beach is. It goes on forever. How am I gonna decorate this den though? Look at this. Look at it. Okay, it ends right over there. What? Oh my god, is this... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I'm gonna buy this. I just want to see the inside first. Oh my god. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. So many rooms. Okay. Oh my god, we got our own balcony out here. Bye. 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 Yes! Yes! Yes. 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 Yes, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we just bought that. Okay, so we're gonna go change from this den to the beach house. Okay guys, now we're back. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not going to edit the den in the video because you know that's boring. I'm going to do that outside of the video. So, what do you think we should go do today? Maybe we should go do an adventure. Yeah, let's do an adventure. Oh yeah. The beach house also has a slide too in it. And it's also got an inside jacuzzi over here. Look at this. So funny. Anyway, I think we're gonna go ahead and do an adventure today. Let's go. This is actually a porch. This. Oh. Look at this. It's like an escalator or something. I couldn't imagine the different floors in this place. And look at the view out here. Wow. And the slide. Whee! And you go in the water. I remember last I'll talk about it when we get on the adventure. So let me cut until we get on the adventure. Okay, guys, it's gonna be going right now. I love that beach house. Really awesome looking. Search for Greeley. Oh. Okay, let's just go on. What should we do? A plane adventure. Let's go over here. Lagging. Let me go ahead and host an adventure. Go normal. Oh, it's not a bad trade. But no, I don't want to get rid of that thing. Please, someone join me. Okay guys, let me try to do one of my tricks. Join me. I'm recording. Okay, let's hope that works, because I am recording. Please, somebody join me. Anyone. Yay. Yay! Look at this. We just need one more. Yeah. No! I clicked it. Then one person left. Oh, dear. So we have 4 minutes to complete this adventure. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. As I said before, this computer is really laggy, so we gotta deal with it. I have to do a lot of cuts in every video. So it looks like they've already gotten like a cork. They've already gotten quirks, and I'm still over here. Let's see if they got the most obvious one over here. Yep, they got it. See, I haven't gotten any action in this, and they have just did this without me. Wait, is there 3 people in? Oh, there is. That's weird. Ooh, let's just steal those gems. Oh, I'm completely sorry if this is killing you. The lag in this video. I don't think it will be that laggy. But we got like 3 minutes now to complete this adventure. There we go. I did one of my first ever things. 3 more, and I think 2 more over here. This person's just waiting. I don't know what they're talking about. Secret of the Fox, ancient history. Found it. Ha! I think we just got a double courage right there. I think we both got XP for that. Somewhere deep in the woods. I'm gonna grab some gems. That's gonna do a cut again. Okay guys, we're back. They just opened the gate. We're just all running. I'm running. Get back here. Get back here. No, tiger isn't gonna pass me. A wolf is faster than the tiger. Use that. I thought that was fox. Oh snap. Yeah, you can't pass me. All my things are slower, it just seems like. Okay, let's go see what horrible things in here. Discard. Okay guys, we're gonna have to do another cut now. And it looks like we lost someone. Why is everyone leaving? Oh snap. I don't think I can complete this video. So it's just me and the non-member. Left. I like to do this. I like to get all their attention. Bam. 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 Just like that. That's how I do it. It's a smart way to do it. Okay. Okay, now we gotta get past these guys. 1, 2. Bam. Actually, we might be able to do it. Oh my god. Find 2 keys. Okay, all we need is 2 keys. I think there's gonna be one down here. Wait, no, I'm gonna go for a different one. She should go for the one down there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay, Mom. Okay, guys. We've got 1 key. Got 1 key. There you go. Awesome. So this person is just talking with the bunnies rather than trying to help. I don't know where. Oh my gosh. Come on, we can do this before the video ends. Yes! Yes! Run! 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 And... there we go! I'm free, I can finally go home. Great job, and we got 50. Let's just see what useless junk we can get out of it. I think it's this one, the gems. Please be gems, yes. And anyway guys, that has been it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye now.